Director General of the National Intelligence Service, is convened pursuant to Article 74.
I, Noordin Haji, do hereby swear by the Almighty God that I shall be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Constitution and Republic of Kenya, that I will at all times and to the best of my ability obey, protect, preserve, and defend the Constitution of the Republic of Kenya and all other laws of the Republic, that I will protect and uphold the sovereignty, integrity, and dignity of the people of the Republic of Kenya. So help me God.
I have full confidence that with the experience that you have gathered over the years, having worked in the intelligence service for many years and having served in other senior government positions, including that of the DPP, I am confident that you have assembled the requisite knowledge, understanding, and experience to be able to discharge your responsibility